Hi, I'm Minute from Boxcar Marketing with your 1-minute marketing tip. And today's tip is about how you understand which categories or sections of your website are getting the most traffic or engagement. So often people have a lot of traffic that goes to their homepage. We're looking at the Google Merchandise Store as our demo example, but for most websites, you'll see in your Pages and Screens report that the majority of your traffic goes to the homepage. Homepage is a bit like a calling card. It has to service all the different audiences that come to your site. So it's sometimes tricky to understand what people are doing from that homepage. So we'll look in a second at how you can create an Explore report in order to see where people go from the homepage. But as a really simple tip, if you want to understand which categories or sections of your site are performing their best, then in that Pages and Screens report, assuming you have a set sort of file structure in your URLs, in this case, we can see that a lot of elements are under shop, and then we have certain collections. So let's say we're promoting a bunch of different collections on the homepage. If we want to look at how all of those collection pages are performing, we want to compare them to each other, then we can search for that section of the page path in order to see, here's all the collection pages. Holiday is obviously outperforming. It tends to be true at this time of year of the recording, which is in November. But you might have some other insights looking at the types of collections that are getting a lot of traffic. Especially watch for things that you're not actively promoting. Maybe there's activity coming to those pages that is a bit unexpected. When you're using these types of reports, always look at two metrics. So you want to create context. Yes, we have the most volume of traffic coming to the collection page, but what does that look like in terms of engagement time, right? We see higher engagement with some of these other collections. What does that look like in terms of key events or other things that are important to us? So don't look just at volume, look also at engagement on those pages to understand the importance of that page in the overall sort of structure or performance of your site. Now, an Explore report, if you want to understand what's happening, where do people go from that homepage, you can use a path exploration. And don't be alarmed. I'm not going to explain in this video how you change what's happening here, but we're just going to click Start Over. And we want to say, okay, how are people getting to that collection page? We can use endpoint. We want to see the holiday collection, where people are coming from. Or maybe we want to, as I said in that first example, maybe we want to understand how people are coming from the home page. So if we select our homepage, then we'll be able to see what's the first step. Well, Google's Merchandise Store has a number of not set pages, but here's where we can see, there's a lot of people that are going from the homepage to the collection. We can see what other collections or sections they're going to. So if you have a very busy homepage with a lot of different categories or elements that people can click to get deeper into your site, this is the kind of report that's going to help you understand what they're doing from that homepage, which elements are the most valuable. And again, you can do from an endpoint. So let's say we're interested in, well, how are people getting to that holiday page? Is it only just from the home page? So here we can see holiday collection. Again, we've got this not set arrow. There's a ton of people that are getting there from that homepage, but also from other products, holiday products in this case, holiday collectibles. So if you have product pages, right, how did they get to that product page? I can click there and see, there's a lot of back and forth between the holiday collection and individual products. Maybe I want to understand more about how other categories or blog posts or sections of the site are driving traffic deeper in or to particular collections that I'm highlighting or have some promotion around. Then the path exploration is going to help you get a better sense of how people are traveling through your site. I'm Nick from Boxcar Marketing, and that's your tip for today. Thanks. Bye.